Hi, John DeLuper here from Lehman College's Leonard Leaf Library. Have you ever wondered what it means on the Lehman College Leonard Leaf Library homepage when it says that you can use OneSearch to search for books, articles, ebooks, and media? Well, it means you can search for a lot of different things. I'm going to start with a search for things about New York, and I'm going to type in my term and click search. On here, I'm going to see a wide variety of resources that appear, 44,000 results. As you can see scrolling down, there are a bunch of different types of materials. We have a journal, we have a book, different journal, video, book, this is an ebook actually, maps, and more. When you search OneSearch, you search material that includes all of our books, most of our ebooks, many of our electronic resources. What that means is that you can go to resource type on the left hand side and you can narrow it down to the particular type of resource that you need. In this case, say I'm looking for articles. I'm clicking on articles, I click apply filters, and it will show me only the articles available. Now articles is a broad term. This can include articles from newspapers, magazines, academic and trade journals, and more types of articles. Most of these will be available online, which you can see by clicking available online. Some of them will link you directly to a PDF. Others will direct you to just a web page that includes the article. And we can do that by clicking on the article, clicking where it says available online, and it will take you there. That's it. Now you know how to use OneSearch.